Welcome to Spanish Snap! In this video, you will learn the 50 most common Spanish words that every beginner needs to know. Studies show that just 50 words cover around 60% of everyday conversations. So if you learn these words, you will understand more Spanish than you think. For each word, I will show you the English meaning, the Spanish translation, how to pronounce it correctly, and a simple example sentence. In this video, you will learn 50 most common Spanish words with correct pronunciation and example sentences. We will cover 5 categories: basic actions, people and family, food and drinks, places, and emotions. Let's start. Category 1. Basic actions. Number 1. To eat. In Spanish, comer. Comer. Quiero comer. I want to eat. Number 2. To drink. In Spanish, beber. Beber. Quiero beber agua. I want to drink water. Number 3. To sleep. In Spanish, dormir. Dormir. Necesito dormir. I need to sleep. Number 4. To go. In Spanish, ir. Ir. Voy a ir. I am going to go. Number 5. To speak. In Spanish, hablar. Hablar. Quiero hablar español. I want to speak Spanish. Number 6. To learn. In Spanish, aprender. Aprender. Aprendo español. I am learning Spanish. Number 7. To see. In Spanish, ver. Ver. Quiero ver. I want to see. Number 8. To listen. In Spanish, escuchar. Escuchar. Escucha esto. Listen to this. Number 9. To write. In Spanish, escribir. Escribir. Escribe tu nombre. Write your name. Number 10. To know. In Spanish, saber. Saber. No sé. I don't know.
Category 2. People and family. Number 11. Man. In Spanish, hombre. Hombre. El hombre. The man. Number 12. Woman. In Spanish, mujer. Mujer. La mujer. The woman. Number 13. Child. In Spanish, niño. Niño. El niño. The boy. Number 14. Family. In Spanish, familia. Familia. Mi familia. My family. Number 15. Father. In Spanish, padre. Padre. Mi padre. My father. Number 16. Mother. In Spanish, madre. Madre. Mi madre. My mother. Number 17. Friend. In Spanish, amigo. Amigo. Mi amigo. My friend. Number 18. Person. In Spanish, persona. Persona. Una persona. A person. Number 19. Old. In Spanish, viejo. Viejo. Un hombre viejo, an old man. Number 20. Young. In Spanish, joven. Joven. Una mujer joven, a young woman. Category 3. Food and drinks. Number 21. Bread. In Spanish, pan. Pan. El pan. The bread. Number 22. Water. In Spanish, agua. Agua. Un vaso de agua. A glass of water. Number 23. Coffee. In Spanish, café. Café. Un café, por favor. A coffee, please. Number 24. Meat. In Spanish, carne. Carne. La carne. The meat. Number 25. Fish. In Spanish, pescado. Pescado. El pescado. The fish. Number 26. Food. In Spanish, comida. Comida. La comida. The food. Number 27. Fruit. In Spanish, fruta. Fruta. La fruta. The fruit. Number 28. Milk. In Spanish, leche. Leche. Un vaso de leche. A glass of milk. Number 29. Wine. In Spanish, vino. Vino. Un vino, por favor. A wine, please. Number 30. Dessert. In Spanish, postre. Postre. ¿Quieres postre? Do you want dessert? Category 4. Places and directions. Number 31. House. In Spanish, casa. Casa. Mi casa. My house. Number 32. City. In Spanish, ciudad. Ciudad. Una ciudad grande. A big city. Number 33. Street. In Spanish, calle. Calle. En la calle. To the street. Number 34. Beach. In Spanish, playa. Playa. La playa. The beach. Number 35. Mountain. In Spanish, montaña. Montaña. La montaña. The mountain. Number 36. Airport. In Spanish, aeropuerto. Aeropuerto. El aeropuerto. The airport. Number 37. Hotel. In Spanish, hotel. Hotel. El hotel. The hotel. Number 38. Hospital. In Spanish, hospital. Hospital. El hospital. The hospital. Number 39. Market. In Spanish, mercado. Mercado. El mercado. The market. Number 40. Left. In Spanish, izquierda. Izquierda. A la izquierda. To the left.
Category 5. Emotions and Adjectives. Number 41. Love. In Spanish, amor. Amor. El amor. Love. Number 42. Happy. In Spanish, feliz. Feliz. Estoy feliz. I am happy. Number 43. Sad. In Spanish, triste. Triste. Estoy triste. I am sad. Number 44. Angry. In Spanish, enojado. Enojado. Estoy enojado. I am angry. Number 45. Scared. In Spanish, asustado. Asustado. Estoy asustado. I am scared. Number 46. Beautiful. In Spanish, hermoso. Hermoso. Qué hermoso. How beautiful. Number 47. Strong. In Spanish, fuerte. Fuerte. Eres muy fuerte. You are very strong. Number 48. Slow. In Spanish, lento. Lento. Muy lento. Very slow. Number 49. Fast. In Spanish, rápido. Rápido. Muy rápido. Very fast. Number 50. Good. In Spanish, bueno. Bueno. Muy bueno. Very good. Amazing work! You just learned 50 Spanish words. Quick review. I say English, you say Spanish. To eat, comer. To drink, beber. Family, familia. House, casa. Happy, feliz. Love, amor. Beautiful, hermoso. Subscribe to Spanish Snap for a new Spanish lesson every single day. Hasta luego!